everyone, it's Deja Monet, and I'm here to talk about the Chanel Nylon Thin Line Flap. Now, I bought this flap last summer for about $2,300 from the Luxury Closet. The Luxury Closet is a consignment store. I believe it's based in either the UK or Dubai, but I got this on sale via Tradesy. So, however, what I like about this bag is that it's an everyday bag. It's made out of good quality nylon. It has this back pocket right here. It also has that classic Chanel interior, you know, the lipstick holder, the two little pockets. Also, from what I learned about this bag is that this bag was made between 2002 and 2003. I'm not sure about the season though. I don't know if it was like made like pre-fall, pre-summer, pre-spring, but I do know that it's a great everyday bag. Now, in comparison to my Chanel classic flap, these are both vintage by the way, this bag is made out of lambskin, pure lambskin. It was made in 1991, same year as I was. It has, like I said, that same interior pocket, but it's more stiff. And the two pockets with the lipstick holder. However, the difference with a classic flap is that it has a flap. Let me put this up. It has a flap on the inside right here. It has a pocket, not a flap, but a pocket on the inside, in the front as well. And it has that infamous Mona Lisa smile pocket in comparison to the nylon flap where it doesn't have any pocket in the back. However, with this bag, it looks like an easy flap, as another YouTuber said it. When I find her video, I'm gonna link it down below. Like an easy flap has that zipper where it's like this, and you have easy access to your stuff. I put I think this is from a shoe, and I just stuffed it in here so it keeps its shape. Now, how I found this bag, I was just searching around, and I wanted the black version for a very long time, but I couldn't find the black version, so I kind of settled for the brown. However, I did find the black version just in time for my birthday, so unfortunately, I'm getting rid of this bag in exchange for the black bag, and I'm selling it very soon. But I just wanted to drop a review about this bag. Also, the good thing about this bag, you can wear it to work, regular. You can also wear it crossbodied, but for someone of my stature, it looks kind of, I don't know if you can see, it looks kind of weird off to me. Maybe to someone who's a little shorter than I am, they'll probably like it crossbodied, but on me, it looks a bit weird. Like, I'll drop a full body video so you can see how it looks on me crossbodied and just a regular shoulder bag. And also, you don't have to worry about this bag getting damaged. You can also wear this bag in the rain. Like, I have another Chanel nylon that's sitting in my closet where I wear it to work every day. I wear it during errands. This is like an errand bag. You can wear this in the snow. You can wear it in the rain. You don't have to worry about it getting messed up, as opposed to, your regular classic flap where you have to worry about, since this is lambskin, I don't have any caviar. With lambskin, you have to be very delicate. You can't wear it everywhere. You can't take this to work. You gotta worry about scratches and bumps and things like that. Like, I don't think anyone has time to think about that when it comes to everyday life. So if you're looking for something that's very durable and very comfortable, I would suggest this bag. However, this bag is very rare on the resale market. Like, it comes up like maybe every few months, and then once Once you find it, someone snags it. I'm telling you, like, I was on the real stalking the bag in black, and I had my eye on it. It was on my wish list. I was ready to pull the trigger, and then someone else took it, and then I had to wait another few months, and then I found a similar bag again, and I put it on my wish list, waited, and it got snagged. So I highly recommend this bag, especially if you're someone like me who dresses like, I don't consider myself a tomboy. I consider myself versatile. Like, I like to dress like maybe baggy fitted pants and a graphic tee. And I like to wear bags like this that suit my style. Or if you're into being very cozy, like you wear a lot of sweatpants, you wear a lot of leggings, you wear a lot of hoodies and things like that, this bag goes great with that type of aesthetic. Also, another bag that the same YouTuber I mentioned earlier, she talks about the Nylon ski sport flap that is similar to this, except it has a different type of shape and it's smaller. So this is considered like a medium large, just like the regular classic flap. Like, this is in similar size, like almost like medium large. However, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. Like, I put so many things in here. Like, you wouldn't even think a lot of stuff fits in here. But I hope you make the decision that you want when it comes to your bags, whether it's this bag, whether it's the classic flap, whether it's a DeVille, it's any type of Chanel bag you want, or any other luxury brand. But I'm just here to tell you that this is worth every month, every penny you spent. The only reason why I'm selling this also is because brown doesn't go with everything. Like, I wear black most of the time, and I want to wear, I want like a bag that I could wear that just goes with most of my outfits, because I have mostly all black outfits. Or I like to wear, grays, whites, like neutral colors, but a bit of something that pops. So, as I stated before, if you like this bag, just go for it. Just save up for it. Put it on layaway. Do whatever makes you feel comfortable. But as I said, this is my review on the bag, and I hope I've convinced you to like it, love it, or hate it. I don't know. Okay, so this is the other nylon I was talking about. This is from the same line. I don't know if you can see the pattern. So this is a Chanel Hobo, nylon Hobo. I don't really know the exact style name for this, but this is another everyday, like a great everyday bag. And it was made within the same time frame as this one. So I'm assuming they're from the same line, like the same thin line travel collection. Because when you look for this bag on the market, they'll reference this as the Chanel camera bag flap or the Chanel chocolate bar flap. But I recently saw that someone referenced this as a thin line flap, and it makes sense because this also has a similar pattern. And the difference between these two is that this one has leather on the bottom and is more subtle, but it still has that same Chanel interior. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment below any feedback, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.